Our breath sets the air in motion. The products we create do the same. Can you sense the connection? For decades, we've been perfecting the art of developing and manufacturing advanced ventilation systems. What makes us stand out? It's our rich knowledge, years of experience, and a proud tradition since 1974. Driven by innovation, we create solutions that evolve with the needs of the market and our users. Sustainability is at our core. We design products that protect both people and the planet. By embracing cutting-edge technologies and trends in the HVAC industry, we stay ahead of the curve. Because at the heart of everything we do, we give shape to the air. Your health, safety, and well-being are our guiding priorities. Let fresh air be your everyday companion.